doesn't affect those who already have opened dispensaries. However, those who have a license but are currently in the process of trying to open up shop will have to cease operations temporarily. This is all because a law firm based out of New York City filed a lawsuit on behalf of 4 veterans. They're suing the Cannabis Control Board and the state's Office of Cannabis Management. The veterans argue they are violating state law by issuing licenses only to those with prior convictions and not to minority groups, including disabled veterans. The lawsuit specifically refers to the state's Marijuana Regulation and Taxation Act, which requires the Cannabis Control Board, quote, open licenses to all adult use retail dispensary applications at the same time. This is now the second time licenses have been put on a temporary pause. There was another lawsuit months ago that Michigan-based company Verisight filed, which has since been settled. The temporary restraining order lasts through at least Friday when a hearing is scheduled, but a cannabis lawyer I spoke to from Colligan Law is worried it could be longer than that. 463 licenses have already been granted, but less than 20 dispensaries have actually opened statewide.
Everybody in between that number that's been licensed and that has actual store going has to stop. They have to stop their construction, they have to stop their submissions of their locations, which is really important. And you know, at our firm, I mean, we're representing card license holders, and we're very nervous about this because you're putting these people at a massive disadvantage now. They've already put all this money into going into these stores, and now they have to completely halt. And so we're worried about another injunction because at this point, what we could see happening is them reviewing it to see if it does violate the law. But either way, we don't want card to stop.
She says the best way to mitigate all of this is for the Office of Cannabis Management to open licenses to everyone. I reached out to the Office of Cannabis Management. A spokesperson there told me they are notifying license holders of the pause, but again, we won't know how long that will last until that hearing on Friday. We'll keep you updated as soon as we learn more. On your side, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.